So we went to buy Indian sweet. No, not only Indian sweet that we went to buy today. We're going to buy Indian biryani rice. There's a place here in Leicester that is only for Indian food, exclusively for Indian food. Then we decided to buy this sweet because people are queuing it. We wonder like, why are they queuing it? So let's try it. So we went and try. So far we tasted this one. It's really good. It tastes like coconut, but these are pure vegetarian sweet, you see. Then there's one that we tasted, which is this one.
Peanut.
Tastes like peanut. So we only tasted two. Now let's taste the rest. Yeah, so we taste this one, this type. It's not good. What does it taste?
That one tastes like something called juhusmana in Finland. Yeah, it's like juhusmana stick together, and it's like a porridge stick together, and a little bit of sugar in it, but not very sweet. So
No.
yeah, don't like that. No.
Yeah. Now let's
Try the
try
next
this
one.
one. This one.
What is it?
Tastes good. I like
Just
this
like I
one.
thought. Yeah, I think it's like milk
Milk in it, isn't it?
milk molded with something. I don't know. They kind of like, it's like if you ate milk that became solid.
Yeah.
It's not cheese. Sweet milk that became solid.
By the
Kind
way,
of solid condensed milk. Put it that way.
yeah, but
It's really good.
really
Just
good.
melts in your mouth. That cake.
Now let's try this one.
Yeah, let's try that. I would suspect that would taste like peanut.
No.
This is so good. It's got
Yeah.
ginger in it. Yeah, show that. That's got ginger. It's like if you
strong
took
taste,
ginger cake and you kind of added milk to ginger cake. Yeah.
There's
And
some kind of crunchy thing.
yeah, you put some crunchy stuff in it. So that when you put it in your mouth, the ginger cake just melts with that sweet condensed milk in it. And sweet condensed milk, ginger cake plus digestive biscuit. It's just so good.
It's really good. But these
That's
people,
good.
they like good stuff. Well, that's why they're
That is
queuing
so
it.
good. Now I know why the guys are queuing there every day.
Yeah.
The place is always crowded. We're like,
Crowded.
why are these people always eating, these sweets, and they just crowded? You get a box like this.
Hold it well.
You get this box, you pick a box, empty box, and you
They
just
choose
keep
you.
pointing at what you want. Put this, put that, put this, put that. Then they put
weigh
it in the box and they weigh it. They put it on a scale, and then they tell you the price. So you can have this is like a medium box. Some people have got like a bigger box, and they just fill it up with their favorite candies.
candies. Okay.
I think I really like that. I like the two we've tried so far. Let's try next one.
This one look like diamond.
Yeah. I'll suspect this will taste like milk.
Peanut with milk.
Yeah, that's it. It's not peanut. It's
Hazelnut.
hazelnut. That's it.
Hazelnut, yeah. This
Hazelnut and milk. Hazelnut and milk. Like
These are pure vegetarian.
molded together. Hazelnut and milk. That's good. Really good. Like that.
No,
All right.
this
What's
one.
that?
I don't know,
Try
but
that.
we just pick it.
Okay. I was thinking that would have coconut in it. Let's see if it's got coconut.
Tastes like what it tastes.
This thing reminds me of something I ate when I was growing up. When I was growing up, maybe I was like 7 years old or 8. There was one really, really good digestive cookie that my dad bought. And it wasn't a lot, so just like this box. But it was really good. I think it was imported, something like that. And we ate it, and I really loved it. And I don't know the name until this day. I don't know where to find it or anything, but I just remember it was so good. Maybe I was a kid, that's why I like the first taste. But it tastes like digestive biscuit, deluxe digestive biscuit with some kind of fruity flavor in there.
It's really good though.
Yeah, and it's kind of sharp as well. And
it's really good, isn't it?
yeah, I can also taste a little bit of ginger in there.
Yeah.
I like that. I really like that. What's the next?
No.
The black one. We've tried that.
We tried the black one, yeah.
Okay.
This
next.
one is like white.
That's white one again.
The white one.
That's white one, but
But it's different from
this one.
Yeah.
Put
That's
it
one.
near the camera. Put that one you're holding near the camera. So this one's got like green stuff in it. That's different. Okay, let's try that one.
Let's try this one. You might wonder it's quite dark here because it's already like 7.
Yeah, in the night, in the car.
Oh my god, this
How's
is
it?
heaven.
Is it better than the other white? That's like milk
With nuts.
with nuts in it.
Pistachio.
Pistachio nuts.
Yeah.
Pistachio nuts in milk.
Sorry.
This is heaven! Damn, this is heaven! My god.
My god, we've been missing
Oh.
every time we want to go to this place, we only want to buy like Indian biryani or other stuff. We always wonder like, why are they queuing?
No, I'll never go to the shop to buy any cookie anymore.
Anymore. This is the best cookie.
This is
I've
the
ever-
best place to get cookie.
Yeah.
It's just like what you wish cookie should taste
Should
like.
taste like.
What you wish candy should taste like.
It's the
And
best
it's like
I've ever
it's like you're
tasted.
eating food plus cookie.
Yeah, what is that? I think we
This
tasted
this
that.
is like a baklava thing. I think it's like a Turkish thing. It's like a gel mixed of nuts. I think I may have tasted it sometime in my life before.
Hold
Let's
it
see.
well.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah.
Tastes good.
It tastes better than the one I've tried before. It's like, if you know these Turkish sweets like baklava, those section of stuff, then you probably know what it is.
It's
'cause
good though.
I don't remember the name, but this is really good.
It has
The-
nuts.
The liquid that they've used to solidify to join the nuts together, that is really good.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
not very dry like the one I tried. The one I tried before was very dry because it was probably bought off the box. Like, just, it wasn't like specially made, so you just pick it off the shop. So general consumption, commercial production line, that kind of thing. So it was a little bit dry because they probably made it to last longer, since it maybe might be in the shop for days. But this one is really earthy.
Yeah.
Like, that liquid is very fresh. It's just,
It's really good.
you can taste the nuts and it's really good. I would say, out of everything I've eaten, what's your favorite?
This one, the white one.
What's your favorite then?
I like this one.
Which one?
White.
That one. That's the favorite. I
And
think
this
my
one.
favorite would be the ginger,
This is
the
ginger.
square one.
Yeah.
That one. That's my favorite. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like ginger cake plus digestive plus condensed milk, caramel.
I think
Everything
everything is
amount.
good though. But
Everything's really good.
we just have a taste in
Yeah.
everything because we still have to eat our main
Yeah.
dinner.
We haven't had main dinner yet, so we're kind of waiting for them to prepare the main dinner. But then we just decided to try these
dessert.
sweets. I
Supposed
think
to be dessert.
it's supposed to be dessert, so we're having dessert before dinner.
Ah, this is the best.
It's good. Next time we
Really
pick
good.
some other ones. But
yeah, we try.
so far, I mean, I'm really happy with the box.
Yeah, me too.
That goes on the outside.
Is it?
I'm quite happy with the box, and yeah.